Hello, I'm here at Ouse Valley Viaduct here in Sussex to see the latest work we're doing to replace and repair the brickwork and stonework of this fantastic and important Grade 2 listed structure.
Ouse Valley Viaduct is a Heritage England Grade 2 listed viaduct. It was finished in 1842, 96 feet high, 37 arches long. Because it's a Grade 2 listed structure, it's very important that we keep to as close to the original details as possible. The stone is actually imported from Western France, and the bricks have been bespoke made to try and match as close to the original as possible.
Lucy, we are here under one of 37 arches here under this really impressive viaduct. Obviously, massive, really important structure. What exactly are we doing here at the minute?
Yes, it's really beautiful, isn't it? And we're really privileged to be here today. So this is a 180-year-old structure, and so what we're doing is a wider programme of works, repointing and repairing, restoring the brickwork and the stonework. And this viaduct is part of a critical network for us in Sussex, so part of the Brighton Main Line. 17 million passenger journeys passing above us over this viaduct every year, which equates to about 20 trains an hour. So a really iconic piece of Grade 2 listed infrastructure, but also a really important critical part of our railway network.